Hi, and welcome to YouTestMe Get Certified. This video explains how to create a survey. To create a new survey, select this button in Quick Actions panel, or navigate to Surveys in the main menu and then select the new survey. Survey Wizard will guide you through the whole creation process. Enter the name, optionally a description, and label for additional classification. Moreover, you can add saved instructions of previously created surveys or manually input new. To upload the survey, first download our predefined Excel template, fill it out, and upload it here. In the settings, you may decide if participants will see the report immediately or after the manager approves it. Report content, and configure a lifespan. Further, you can enable an option that automatically logs out the user upon completing the survey, require personal information update, or allow participants to pause and continue the survey later. If you enable browser lockdown, users won't be able to copy, save, or print anything from the screen during the survey taking process, and the full screen mode will be required as well. In the third step, you can either create a new question or import questions from different pools. You can assign only a few or all questions from each survey pool. Randomize the order of questions or the answers. You can edit, preview, or remove questions. Moreover, you can change the order of questions. In the fourth step, choose an appropriate grading scale for your survey. After the review, you can finish the survey wizard and create a survey session to make it available for candidates. Enter a session name, location, time zone, dates when the survey will be available, and save. Assign candidates here or from this tab. The final step is to publish the survey. Let's now log in as a student to present the candidate's perspective. Filter assignments by type to find the survey. Acknowledge the instructions and answer the questions. Upon finishing, a student may be presented with the survey result, grade, question pool details, and much more information. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.